Assalamu alaikum. Hi there, welcome to my channel. Before we start, do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's start. In this video, we are going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Core, Variant 1-1, May June 2017, question number 18 onwards. Question number 18A. Work out 3 plus 2 multiplied by negative 4. Put the whole thing in the calculator and you will get the answer negative 5. Part B, in each of these, insert one pair of brackets to make the statement correct. Maybe you will have to try a few here and there brackets to get the answer right. The bracket is here. 5 plus 2 will give you 7. 7 times 3, 21, plus 2, 23. And you have 2 here. So 12 divided by 4 plus 2 will give you 2. Question number 19. Without using a calculator, work out this fraction. And we have to write all the working and write the final answer as a mixed number. This is a very common question, 3 marks question. So first the mixed fraction will change into improper fraction. For that we'll multiply 1 by 3 and add plus 2. That will give us 5 over 3. Whenever we have to add or subtract a fraction, we need to have a common denominator. Multiply by 7 in the denominator and the numerator, and multiply by 3 this side. Now you have a common denominator, which is 21. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. And then 5 times 7, 35. And 5 times 3, 15. Put this whole thing in the calculator. You will get 50 over 21. Now to change it into mixed fraction, you either need to know how to divide 50 by 21 or you can use the calculator. We already have the answer. Now in your calculator, press the shift button and then press SD. That's the button above the delete button. And you will get the answer 2821. Okay. Also for changing mixed number to improper fraction. So for this one, we can use, you have 1, 2, 3. To put this in the calculator, press the shift and then you will have the fraction button. So you press that, you will get 3 boxes. In that you substitute 1, 2 and 3 and you will get the answer 5 over 3. So this is one way of changing the mixed number into improper fraction by using a calculator. Question number 20. Solve the simultaneous equations. You must show all your working. So first you have to decide which method are you going to use, substitution or elimination. If the coefficients are there, substitution method will be very complicated, so we are going to use the elimination method. The second thing you need to decide what you are going to eliminate first, x or y. My advice is choose the variable where you have different signs. So you have your negative and positive, so choose y. We are going to eliminate y. After that, you need to have the common denominator. You have 4 before y and you got negative 2. They are not same. They will not be cancelled. To cancel it out, I must have the same coefficient. I hope you know that 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So I'm going to multiply the whole equation by 2. That will give me 10x minus 4y is equal to 48. And write the second equation down. So 10 plus 7 will give you 17x. Negative 4 plus 4 will give you 0. It's cancelled. 48 minus 14 is 34. 17x means 17 multiplied by x. So when I move it to the other side, it is divide. I can write it in the denominator, and this will give you x is 2. Now substitute x is 2 in any equation you want. I'm going to substitute in 7x plus 4y is equal to negative 14. So 7 multiplied by 2 plus 4y is equal to negative 14. When I move the positive 14 to the other side, it's going to be negative. So 4y is equal to negative 28. And y is equal to negative 28 divided by 4, which is negative 7. So we found our x and y. Question number 21. A cuboid has length 6 cm, width 5 cm, and height 3 cm. On the 1 square centimeter grid, complete the net of the cuboid. The base is drawn for you. If you have a cuboid and you want to make a net, first make the height everywhere. So our height is 3. This is going to be 3 centimeter, 3, 3. And then make one extra with the width and the length box. Okay? So this is your net of the cuboid. Question number 22. 6 students revise for a test. The scatter diagram shows the time in hours each student spent revising and the marks in the test. So this is the mark and this is the time taken. The data of 2 more students is shown in the table. The time in hours is given to us and the marks. Plot these 2 points on the scatter diagram. So time is 4.5 hours and mark is 33. So that will be here. And then we have time 6.5 hours and mark 35. So we plotted both the points. Next, what type of correlation is shown on the scatter diagram? We can see that the points are going upwards. So it's a positive correlation. Part C, draw a line of best fit on the scatter diagram. When we draw a line of best fit, try to keep equal number of points on either side of the line. So here is the line of best fit. Next, and other students spent 5.5 hours revising. Estimate a mark for this student. 5.5 hours is here. So we can see it is 35 marks. You can have the marks between 33.5 to 37.5 and you will be given that 1 mark. Question number 23. The diagram shows the positions of 3 points A, B and C. Using a ruler and compass only, construct the perpendicular bisector of the line AB. When you are constructing the perpendicular bisector of a line, any line, suppose this is your line, from this point, make an arc like that, and from this point, with the same compass length, cut this arc, and the middle you join together, and that is your perpendicular bisector. If you don't want to make the full arc, you can make an arc here and an arc here from this point, and then from this point, you cut the arc and then join the center of the 2 arcs. So that's the perpendicular bisector. So this is the perpendicular bisector I have drawn of the line AB. A2, the locus of all points that are 3 cm from C. From this year onwards, locus is not a part of the syllabus, so we don't need to do A2, and also AB we don't need to solve. Question number 24. The diagram shows a notice board. The board is in shape of a semicircle joined to a square with side 74. Calculate the perimeter of the board. Because it is a square, this side will be 74 and this will also be 74. Now we need to find this semicircle. This is a part of the circumference of a semicircle. To find this, we will use the formula circumference is equal to pi d divided by 2. Why divide by 2? Because it's a semicircle. And the diameter is 74 divided by 2, 37 pi. Therefore, the perimeter is going to be 74 plus 74 plus 74 plus 37 pi. 338.238. Rounding it to 2 decimals, we will have the answer 0.24 centimeter. Next, we have to find the area of the board. For that, we need to find the area of the square plus area of the semicircle. We need to find the area of the square and the area of the semicircle. Area of the square is found by side square, and area of the semicircle is pi r square divided by 2. What is our radius? Radius is 74 divided by 2, which is 37 centimeter. So side square means 74 square plus pi into 37 square divided by 2. And this is 7626.42 square centimeter. Part B. The board is a prism that is 5 centimeters thick. Calculate the volume of the board. To find the volume of the board, we will multiply the area, which is 7626. We can just take the whole number without decimal by 5. And we will get 38130 cubic centimeter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.